If you want to see sensitive content in your Instagram app, this video is going to show you how to enable it. Let's first open the Instagram app on either your iPhone or your Android phone. The process is the same for both. After that, I'm going to navigate to my profile and then tap the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of our screen. Once you're here, simply scroll down towards the bottom and find this Content Preferences section and open it. Here is the Sensitive Content option at the top, and we'll have the ability to select these three different options. Now, to see more sensitive content without filtering, you're going to select the More option at the bottom. This setting means you might see more sensitive content across Instagram. In your search results, explore page, reels, feed, and even in comments on other people's posts. The other two options, Less and Standard, will filter out more content, with less being the most restrictive. But if you want to see more of what Instagram would normally hide, just tap More, and the setting will apply immediately.